The pandemic has altered our lives in several different ways and has certainly added new challenges, in particular for pregnant women and new moms. So, here to talk more about this are Dr. Julia Richardson from Family Health Centers Louisville and Dr. Arathusa Kirk, Senior Medical Director at UnitedHealthcare. How are you both?
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you.
Great. Glad to have both of you with us. Dr. Kirk, I'd like to start with you. Can you help viewers understand some of the initial steps that women can take?
Sure. So we know that pregnancy is a really exciting time for women during their pregnancy, but can also be a time of great anxiety and concerns, especially during COVID. We've seen this. And we know that oftentimes people can feel a little bit overwhelmed and may skip important steps, including getting early prenatal care. We also know that vaccination is very important for pregnant women, and only 31% are fully vaccinated per the Centers for Disease Control. And we know that this is actually a very protective step for women who are pregnant to ensure that the health of them and their babies.
And how can new parents feel comfortable for a child's well-checked pediatrician visits?
Well, yeah, it's so important to keep all of the well visits, especially those newborn visits and the immediate postpartum visits for the mom and the baby. They can feel comfortable to know that everything we're doing to protect their family here in the office. And so they should feel totally comfortable making those appointments and coming in for all of those well visits for the baby and for the mother.
And Dr. Richardson, what are you seeing at FHC with expectant mothers?
So we are seeing, most people feel very comfortable bringing in their babies and coming in for their checkups. We know some people are hesitant, so we often reassure them about the safety and the importance of those visits. We're seeing moms that are nervous about breastfeeding and the COVID vaccine, and we're reassuring them that it's really important to get the COVID vaccine and it's safe during breastfeeding as well.
And lastly, what are some of the programs that are available that pregnant and new moms can access?
So
you can go to uhc.com to understand anything about pregnancy and child's wellness.
And Dr. Richardson, I thought you were going to say something as well.
Yes, on our website, fhclouisville.org, there are wonderful resources for new families, including playgroups that are all virtual at this time. So please join us for our playgroups that are virtual.
Ladies, thank you both so much for that information. Very beneficial information. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.